The equipment in the kiosk requires regular service and maintenance from time to time.
Hello, my name is David Ryan. I'm a technologist with the Agricultural Catchments Programme and I'm based in Johnstown Castle in Wexford. My role as a technologist with the Agricultural Catchments Programme is the overseeing of a range of equipment across the catchments in the Catchments Programme, and I'm working with a technical team comprised of technicians such as John Kennedy.
We have a pump in the stream here behind the kiosk, and that pump is pumping water into a header tank in the kiosk 24/7 every day of the year. So the water is, there's an inlet valve and an outlet valve into the header tank. So the water in the tank is representative of what's in the stream at any given time. Within this tank in the kiosk then contains our various probes and equipment that measure and monitor the water. The Teagasc pump is a pump that pumps the water from the header tank into the Teagasc unit, into the glass bowl above in the Teagasc unit that prepares the sample for entry into the Phosphex machine to measure the phosphorus levels in the water. The Teagasc unit will homogenize the sample and prepare it for the Phosphex unit. The Teagasc pump itself can get quite dirty, especially during heavy storm events, so would need regular cleaning depending on, and especially in bad weather conditions. And it involves just brushing it down with soapy water and removing the filter and cleaning it with an old toothbrush with lime scale, and just cleaning the actual piston itself, the base of the piston itself, and having it fully cleaned before you put it back into the tank. The next piece of equipment that I will remove from the tank to do some cleaning and servicing on is the Kiosk probe, which is the total organic carbon probe. I'll clean it down with a brush and some soapy water to clean all the debris away. I will also then drive out the wiper in the probe and remove the cover from the wiper and clean it down, and pass through the ionized water through the probe to clean down the inside. Next up is the Turbidity Probe, and again I will remove the Turbidity Probe from the tank. Again, clean it down, any dirt or whatever's on the probe, give it a good cleaning down. Operate the wiper on the probe and use maybe an old toothbrush again with deionized water to clean in behind the wiper blade. The Nitrate Probe is very similar to the Kiosk probe, and again we'll clean it down with a brush and soapy water. Drive the wiper out, use distilled water to wash through the wiper area. The conductivity probe just requires a good cleaning and washing with deionized water to ensure that the readings are taken accurately. So just as a recap then, the first probe I removed was the Teagasc probe, and the Teagasc pump just pumps the water into the Teagasc unit to prepare the sample for the Phosphex machine, and the levels then and the recording of that is shown on the Phosphex machine. The other four probes, the measurements are recorded on the SC1000, and they're measurements exactly at the time of the measurement, whereas it was a bit more of a process in getting to the phosphorus levels.